What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over Solana. Currently, we're sitting at 134. We're up 2.36 on the day. Sitting in market cap 62.77 billion. 24-hour volume is 1.84 billion. So we put in the right handle for the cup and handle pattern that we're looking for. So if you break that neckline of about 137, that's your bullish confirmation of continuation to the upside. Until we break that neckline, of course, you can roll over, you can come lower. But if we do end up in pushing up and breaking that neckline, then do expect the correction to be over and bullish continuation back to the upside. But until that neckline is broken, the bearish scenario is still in play. But if we do break it, then we can push all the way up to 152. We're still holding this support. This is a descending triangle, which is a bearish pattern. But if we do push up, we get back above those daily EMAs, then you can see a nice push back up to the resistance of the triangle, which is up here at 173. So that's what I'm looking at for Solana. Make sure to sign up to BITUNIX, no KYC, no VPN. One of the few exchanges in North America where you can trade futures. It can be used all over the world. 10% back on every single one of your trades on your fees when you sign up through my link, top of the comments. Make sure to join my Discord, which includes my daily crypto analysis for many projects, as well as my Forex signals. All links down below. Go check them out. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.